Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to make a very healthy and yummy recipe. It's called the pumpkin kheer for children. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to tap the notification bell to get the latest updates from Shishu World. To make this recipe, we'll need only a few ingredients. So we have pumpkin, milk, sugar, nuts of your choice. I've taken cashews. You can take any other nuts that you want. You can also put raisins and cardamom powder if you enjoy it. So first of all, let's see what we have to do. Here I have taken pumpkin and I have cleaned it nicely. I have peeled it and now I'm going to grate it. Now you can take any kind of pumpkin. Here I have taken the yellow pumpkin. You can also take white or green, whichever you like. But take a pumpkin which cooks easily. There are some varieties of pumpkin which are very hard and they don't get cooked very fast. So don't use them. So here I have taken a big grater and I've roughly grated this. You don't have to grate it very fine. Now I've added the ghee. I'm heating the ghee and then I'll roast this grated pumpkin in the ghee. That is what brings out all the flavor. This is a very delicious recipe and it tastes a lot like how we make gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa. But here you can introduce another healthy vegetable to children. Now a lot of children don't want to have pumpkin. So then you can make this recipe for them. So we'll roast it for about 1 to 2 minutes and after that I have added 1 cup of milk to it. And if needed, we'll add more milk later. And now we just have to let it cook. Keep stirring in between and cook this on medium heat. Don't make the flame too high, otherwise it will get burnt. So after some time, this is how it looks. The milk has reduced to like less than half. The pumpkin is completely cooked. It is getting mashed. And now we will add sugar. Whenever you make any kind of halwa or kheer, you should always put sugar at the end. Because if you put sugar in the beginning, then you'll see that it will take longer to cook. So sugar should always be added at the end. So now just mix everything well. You can also put raisins at this point if you're adding. Today I'm not adding raisins. Just mix it well. Let it cook for just a couple of minutes more. If you feel like you can add a little more milk to it, it will become more creamy. And when you feel that it is the consistency that you like, you can taste it in between. I've added some nuts now. I've added cashews. You can add almonds or any other nuts that you like. So this looks perfectly ready. It's ready to be served. You can serve it chilled or warm. And I'm sure your children are going to love it, as well as the whole family. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, do give us a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and let us know what you think about it. And if you've still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get all the videos as soon as they are published. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.